Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to inject vitamin K. First, gather all your necessary supplies, including the vitamin K vial, appropriate sterile syringes, and alcohol wipes. It's crucial to ensure you have everything ready before you begin. Next, confirm the correct dosage and medication, ideally with a healthcare professional's guidance, to prevent any errors. Finally, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This careful preparation is key for a safe and effective injection. Now, let's talk about selecting the right injection site. For intramuscular injections, common areas include the vastus lateralis muscle in the thigh or the deltoid muscle in the upper arm. Always ensure the chosen area is free from any scars, bruises, or skin irritation. Once you've identified the spot, cleanse it thoroughly with an alcohol wipe. Start at the center and move outwards in a circular motion, allowing it to air dry completely before proceeding. With the site prepared, it's time to administer the injection. Hold the syringe like a dart, then quickly insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the muscle. Once inserted, gently pull back on the plunger to aspirate. If no blood appears, proceed. Slowly push the plunger to inject the medication, ensuring a steady flow. After the medication is fully delivered, withdraw the needle smoothly and apply gentle pressure to the site. After the injection, apply gentle pressure to the site with a clean gauze pad for a few minutes to minimize bruising. It's crucial to dispose of the used needle and syringe immediately in a designated sharps container to ensure safety. Monitor the site for any signs of redness, swelling, or discomfort. If you experience any unusual reactions, contact a healthcare professional promptly. Remember to check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.